Okay, now we will discuss some special case problems. Here if you observe 892 minus 397. Here if you observe same digits are there. 9, 9. When you are having same digits, if you observe in the middle same digit will come. Here 2, 7. For 7 as we discussed complement is 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And here actually 9 complement is 1, 1 plus 8 is 9. But these are all special type of problems. When you are getting same digits, automatically you will get 9 in the middle. So here 8 will be reduced to 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 892 minus 397 is 495. Here for 7 complement is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here in subtractions we will not do any carryover, we will do additions only. In subtractions also we will do additions only. Here 7 complement is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Here when you are having same digits, automatically it will come 9. You can write blindly 9 in the middle. Here it will reduce 1. The 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. If you observe this one also, 8923 minus 3927. Here these middle digits are same. Simply you can write 99 in the middle. Here 7 for 7 complement is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Here 8 will be reduced to 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, now we will see lengthy subtractions. More than 3 digits, how you will do. In this lengthy subtractions in Vedic maths, we will call this one as Dirgha Vyavakalanam. In English, we will call it as lengthy subtractions. In Vedic maths, we will call it as Dirgha Vyavakalanam. Here, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here for 7 complement is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Here for 6 complement is 4. 4, 5 will become 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Here 5, for 5 complement is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Here for 3, 7 is the complement. 7 plus 1 is 8. Here 3 will becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, we will see special subtractions. These are called special subtractions in English. In Vedic maths, we will call this method as Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. That means all from 9, last from 10. In English, we will call this one as all from 9, last from 10. Here, if you see 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3, here we will do last from 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here remaining, here 1 will become 0, so 10 minus 3 is 7. Here if you observe 100 minus 37, simply you no need to take any carryovers, simply you all subtract from 9 and last from 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6. So 100 minus 37 is 63. If you observe 1000 minus 345 also, all from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Suppose if you observe 10,000 minus 4, 5, 6, 7. Here all from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. These are all comes under special subtractions. Here we are going to apply Vedic math principle Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. That means all from 9, last from 10. Till now we have seen special subtractions and here we have discussed special case problems and lengthy subtractions. These lengthy subtractions in Vedic maths we will call it as Dirgha Vyavakalanam. In the next session we will see the multiplications. Till then, bye.